Hey, what's up, Whitefish? This is Josh with your Whitefish Mountain Resort Bike Park update for 2026. Opening day is upon us. We open on the 23rd. We'll have all of our Bad Rock trails open here next Saturday, so we're excited about that. Soon thereafter, probably the following week, around June 1st, we expect to have the Chair 2 and B-Sides pods open, so we'll have miles and miles of downhill riding available very, very soon. We've got really good projects happening all over the bike park. Specifically, Motley Blüe and Zeppelin have had a number of improvements on those trails, and we're excited about getting those open here. There are going to be a couple of other projects around the mountain that will impact us. There are some fuels reduction and thinning projects going around the mountain that will have some rolling closures through the season, but we're excited about rebuilding some of those trails, specifically Lower Freebird and the Danneon Trail, which when we get the chance to rebuild them, they'll be back and better than ever. Speaking of back and better than ever, Runaway Train, man, we rebuilt that thing last fall and it is going to be riding as best as it ever has, so please be on the lookout for that. We're excited about another section of Whitefish Trail that we're building this summer as well to kind of connect a couple different trail projects around the valley. And in addition to that, we've got our $10 downhill series, 6 weeks of that coming. We have 4 downhill races, a couple of other bike races throughout the season, tons of stuff going on up here. If you're riding bikes, come on up to Whitefish Mountain Resort.